Hi, I'm Tom Williams, Managing Director of the Utah Science, Technology, and Research Initiative, known as USTAR. USTAR's mission is to accelerate the commercialization of science and technology ideas generated from entrepreneurs, university researchers, and private sector companies. In this video, you'll meet one company highlighting how USTAR is impacting the science and technology communities in Utah. They are an example of one of USTAR's competitive grant programs. In this case, they won a Technology Acceleration Program, or TAP award. Enjoy the video.
The first technology we have is protection from ultraviolet rays in space. The second one is for impact resistance for watches or phones. And the third's for photovoltaic enhancement, which is solar panels that you see on most people's houses, makes them more efficient.
The initial concepts that we had involved making a solar panel operate efficiently without some type of mechanical device to move it.
Solar applications is like hit a wall, so if you can bring 1, even 2% above their efficiency, so what they're currently at, then you're about anywhere from 2 to 8 years in technological advancements.
A solar cell can receive light normally from the sun. Unfortunately, a lot of that light comes right back out of the solar cell and is lost into the atmosphere. So one of our objectives was, can we recapture that light and send it back into the solar cell itself? So that increases the solar cell's ability to generate power.
We're doing a lot of nanoparticle enhancement and trying to make solar cells more efficient, and started to come up with some other ways for just generic materials. So originally we were trying to just use nanoparticles to make the photovoltaics more energetic or more efficient. And then what happened over time is then I needed a medium to put the nanoparticles in.
For instance, if we have a cell phone glass cover, those are very breakable. But if we put some of this material we call Metashield that's made of silicon on the backside, it toughens the glass somewhere upwards of 100% of what it might have been otherwise.
Utah is a good place to be because the reliable workforce.
It's an excellent place for development work. It's also a crossroads of distribution. With the grant from USTAR, we purchased materials and applied our science and engaged our people and came out with a surprisingly good result. There are resources available that USTAR has kindly provided from the University of Utah, which has a nanofabrication laboratory. Throughout the grant period and otherwise, we've been in conversation with the laboratory there.
Something that was originally funded by USTAR was that lab that we're using. So now we're funded by them, they're funded by them. So a lot of this wouldn't even exist if it wasn't for them.
We're adding more people, we're adding staff, we're adding limited production. We're in conversation with some big names. They're looking at us as a strong Utah-based company with some excellent intellectual property.
To learn more about the programs featured in this video and to see other programs offered by USTAR, please visit ustar.org.